Here are the critical steps for installing a ProVia casement window. For complete installation and safety instructions, click the link in the video description. Let's get started. First, remove the screen. After the opening has been fully prepped, check the opening sill for level. Place approximately 1/8 inch thick shims directly under each jamb and set to level. For mold units, be sure shims are placed directly under all jamb locations. Do not miss this step. Place the window in the opening. Add additional thickness to the sill shims and adjust as needed to obtain a level sill. Make sure the windowsill is floating between shims. Check the frame's plane. The vertical faces must be flat and parallel for proper operation. Next, check to make sure the vertical jambs are not bowed or rolled to prevent hardware interference. Unlock the sash to install a number 8 by 2 inch screw in each top factory prep screw hole and in the bottom hinge side screw hole. Install shims directly below the operator. Check for overall square by measuring diagonally each side. Readjust sill shims and screws as needed to set square. Install the remaining bottom screw. Next, install the middle screws, but do not tighten at this time. Add intermediate screws if spacing is more than 24 inches. For windows 28 inches or wider, install 4 equally spaced screws through the header. Shim all jamb screw locations. Place shims below top screw, above the middle screw, and above the bottom screw. Do not place shims within 4 inches of the top or bottom corners to allow for expansion and contraction. Add additional shims if spacing is more than 12 inches. Return to the middle screws to now fully tighten. Conduct a final check to confirm the sash and lock operate correctly. If needed, use the top and bottom cam nut to slightly adjust the sash from side to side. If using a crescent wrench, first disconnect the arm before adjusting. However, if using the ProVia casement wrench, the arm can remain in place. This has been a quick overview of how to install a ProVia casement window. For complete instructions or more information, click the link in the video description or call customer service with additional questions.